Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn Scratch Designs. I'm coming by with a demolding this morning. I'm sorry I didn't film it last night. It was about like midnight when I poured these. Not really a good idea on my part, but I've used some of these really fun stickers. Not these ones in particular, because these are for the next set. But I'm gonna just start with this overflow heart. Just using up some of the leftover resin. Really pretty. Love that. Can never have too many of those. Alright, this one needed a little torching. I'm not really sure why that was the only one that did that. That must have been the last one I poured when it was really starting to cure. Alright, so we'll start with that one. That one is just the solid one. So really close to this one, but I did put a little more red. Love it. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a few reds to begin with, just because there's more of those. I don't know whether to show them with my hand behind. Once again, no piece of paper when you need one. There. Thought these were really cute. Little keyboard sticker. Okay, that's number 2. Yeah, this was the one that I forgot to write down what glitter color to put behind it. So it wasn't supposed to be red. It was actually supposed to be blue. Okay. Love this one too. Really cute. Okay. Now I'm gonna move to this set. I don't know why, but I love this one. Just an orange slice. But I love the juxtaposition between the glitter and the very, I don't know if you want to say matte, but very flat finish of the orange. It's really cute. Okay, now I love these. They're tomatoes. So cute. And I love tomatoes, so. Alright, this one had a little overflow. So cute with strawberries. Sorry. I'm not sure how much this would help. Okay. I'm gonna leave that one. Pears. I love that. Okay. This one's watermelon. Again, so cute. Okay, I'm not sure why I was saving this one, but just because I love lemons. I absolutely love this one. It definitely needs a backing of some sort. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, one down. I'm sorry if y'all could see the state of my desk area. This one is a little puppy dog in his food bowl. This one actually has a kind of ombre effect on the background. Not sure you can tell that. I thought these were just some fun, heart, kind of, not really Valentine's, but they could be. This one, the heart kind of slid a little bit after I straightened it up. And it has a bubble. It's the only one so far with a bubble. Now that makes me angry. I was so careful. Oh well. One out of however many. This one's also a little puppy dog. And what did I do that? I got a bubble on this one too. Right there. These were actually some of the first stickers that I actually put in. While the resin was actually still a little more fluid. Okay. This one was cute. Only one I did with purple, I don't know why. And I love this one too. Again, with a bubble. Now, how do you work that out? I first waited 30 minutes before I even stirred in the glitter or the resin dye. So here they are. Way too many of them. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.